Hello everybody, happy holidays. I'm certified natural healthcare practitioner Erin Thole, and today we're going to be talking about some tasty treats to get you through the holiday season. The holidays is really a great time for nostalgia and just, feeding into those traditions and those classics and things like that. So we don't ever want to deprive ourselves of the things that we love. We just want to think about healthy alternatives, moderation, and really staying present in our body as we're, making our selections and choosing our treats and things like that. So I'm going to show you some brands that I really like that are clean varieties of those favorites. Whether that's your gingerbread cookies, your peanut butter blossoms, or sugar cookies, or certain types of pies, or whatever it is. You can always go to my Pinterest page, which has a ton of recipes on it that will feed that nostalgia bug that you're having around this time of year. And then I'll show you these brands that are quick and easy, things that you can just buy, pop in the oven, and then do the fun stuff like the decorating and the eating and all that good stuff. So that's what we're covering today. Okay, so in the notes for this video down below, I'm going to put in some of my pie recipes, my pumpkin pie and my apple pie. And then I'm also going to put the link to my Pinterest recipe page so that you can check that out if you're looking for some fun recipes. So these are some of the different brands that I like. Sweet Loren's is great because they are like top 7 allergen free. So they're going to be gluten free, dairy free, egg free, nut free, like all that good stuff. And they don't use, like food dyes or a lot of the heavy chemicals that we see in a lot of these pre-made cookie mixes. They're non-GMO, which is really great. And they're already in like that little cookie shape. So you just put them on a cookie sheet and bake them in the oven. You can always, push the dough all together and like make, do the little cutouts if you want to make little gingerbread people or houses or Santa Clauses or trees or whatever it is that you like to do with your cutouts. And then for decorating, I really like this brand the best, this Miss Jones frosting. So it's all coconut oil based. So these are really great. And they even have one that's like a cream cheese type, of frosting. It's natural flavors, which, there's debate about that. And that's one thing that I'm not a huge fan of, but it's better than, using a lot of red dye 40 and other types of really heavy duty chemical clean products in the food and things like that. So there's also a bunch of these different sprinkles that are all colored with, like turmeric or beetroot powder or apple or spirulina, things like that. These are chocolate ones. There's some little orange ones. I use these more around like Halloween and stuff like that. And then I found these little kits at Sprouts, actually. The rest of the stuff you can get at Sprouts, Whole Foods. Those are the two places that I get this stuff from mainly. The Color Kitchen, I love these because you can make like a dozen different, like millions of different colors, shades, just by like mixing them together and things like that. So from Color Kitchen, you get these online. So you can go to their website, just Google, Color Kitchen, and you can get this little packet like that. Or they have like holiday packets like this where you'll get a couple of these in the kit along with some like little trees and things like that, little sprinkles that are shaped like holiday type things. But I found this one at Sprouts. It doesn't have any, crazy food dyes in it or anything like that. It's all naturally sourced food dyes. I say that these are healthier alternatives because it's still some things that I'm not like wild about, in especially like the sprinkles and stuff like that, like maltodextrin and cornstarch and natural flavors and stuff like that. But you know what? Sometimes you just have to give a little and do with what you have so that you can have the fun memories and the nostalgia and do some fun cookie decorating with your kids and whatnot or grandkids. So these are my top brands. These are my top go-tos when I'm doing pies, cookie decorating, anything like that. So again, my link to my Pinterest page and then my recipes for my pumpkin pie and my apple pie will be below in the notes. And this is two cookie, or what is this? A pie crust, 2 pie crusts in this thingy come together, which is really nice. So you can make 2 different pies. You made a pattern?
Yeah.
Oh, my.
That's weird.
Yeah, you are making a mess.
That's weird. Stop making a mess, or that's so second. Mommy, do you like this?
I do. It's beautiful. That's very nice. I like your pattern.
Mommy, I made the Jade Wade.
You made one for Miss Jada?
No, Miss Jade Wade.
Miss Jada Wada?
Yeah, Miss Jade Wade.
She'll love it.
Yeah, she's gonna love it, Miss Mommy Womby. I want to make it.
Okay. Last but not least, I really just wanted to express how much gratitude I have to my clients, to those of you who are watching my videos and providing me with any kind of feedback and input. It just really warms my heart and is really exciting. Just the feedback that I've been getting from the YouTube videos, from the Instagram posts and things like that. And it just kind of gives me that motivation to keep going, that I'm on the right track, I'm doing the right thing. I've been a practitioner for 17 years and I've learned a lot throughout that journey, as an individual for myself, but also as a practitioner and helping people and all of that. And it's so rewarding to be able to do something that I love and be able to connect with so many people and help people just like learn about their bodies and take back their health and take control of their health. And so thank you so much for allowing me to be on this journey with you. I wouldn't be able to, have what I have without you guys. So I appreciate your support, your referrals, your trust in me with yourself and with your family. It is truly an honor to work with all of you, and thank you.